Skillshare versus Udemy versus Lynda versus Coursera. So let's start with Skillshare. So Skillshare focuses on creative skills like design, video, and photography, offering subscription-based access and much more. Now Udemy, on the other hand, is a pay-per-course platform with over 200,000 courses in everything from coding to marketing to productivity. Now, Lynda, or also known as LinkedIn Learning, professional courses in business, tech, and creative fields, includes certifications linked to your LinkedIn profile. And lastly, Coursera is a university-level courses, degrees, and certificates from schools like Stanford, Google, IBM, and Yale. Now, let's talk about their pros. So, Skillshare offers great for creatives. It's also community-based learning and projects, and they have a short, practical video lessons. Now, Udemy, on the other hand, has a huge variety of topics, a paper course pricing with lifetime access, and it also includes beginner to advanced levels. Now, Lynda offers professional development with soft skills plus software training. It also has courses integration with LinkedIn profiles and resumes, and it gives certificates for completion. And lastly, we have is Coursera. So it is a university-backed courses and they have recognized certificates, specializations, and even degrees. They also give you assignments, quizzes, peer reviews, and final projects, and many courses are free to audit. So, in conclusion, choose Skillshare for creative skill building. Pick Udemy if you want one-time affordable access to specific topics, and go to LinkedIn Learning if you are focused on professional development and career credentials, and invest in Coursera if you're after academic level learning, industry certifications, or even degrees.